Hi, Mark Reedy here. Just wanted to quickly go over how you can find out how much or how many work orders and how much you're spending based on the service by field in work orders. So some people use this for outside shops or for their inside shop. Some people actually put their employee name in there. So let me just go ahead and show you how to run the report for that. Okay, so hang on a second here. I'm going to close this work order. Go over here to reports. More reports, choose report type work orders, scroll down here to the bottom, and just up from the bottom we see work orders, total costs by service by vendor. We'll choose that. And then we can choose the service by vendor we want to look at here, or we can choose them all. And you can enter in a date range. So how much you spent over a certain date range, you can check that. I'm just going to leave it open for all dates, and we'll leave it open for all service by vendors. And I'm just going to go ahead and click preview. And so here you can see the number of work orders. So it tells you on the left-hand column who did the servicing, how many work orders that service by entity did, and then the total cost for the work orders that entity completed. So you have autosave, local dealer, maintenance shop, and so forth. So if I just wanted to look again at a specific one like local dealer, I can choose that from the drop down here, put that in the beginning and the inside, from and to, and then click preview. And it just shows me the total work orders for that particular service by, in this case called local dealer. All right, that's a quick one. Hopefully that's been helpful for you. Thanks for watching. Take care.